This example explains how to use Quick Pallet Maker to create drums that will be saved as boxes. The first step is to run the software application. Next, we will open a new datasheet starting from primary package, and we make sure that we are working with millimeters and kilograms. If not, we can change them to units, millimeters, and kilograms. Next, we will create the cylinders or drums. We select cylinder from the package shape, and we enter the dimensions. In this case, it's 400 millimeters by 800 with a weight of 40. We want these drums to be standing up, so we uncheck diameter. Put a case count of 1, and we select stretch wrap as a type of construction. We make sure that the height of the box that we will produce is at least 800 millimeters, and then we calculate. We see here that we can produce a pallet with 6 items in each one. So if we wanted to save this box, we select it, click on it, export box, and we put a name and save.